Hello, hello. This is Pat with Patriska Papers. I am out in the Bluebird Bungalow and I have a new freebie project for us. This is the kit, but before we talk about the kit, first let me say welcome. I'm so glad you're here. If you are one of my subscribers, it's always awesome to have you back. And I hit 2,000, and this is going to be the giveaway. Once it's finished, I will be sending it to a random person who leaves me a comment, and I want in the comment, I want you to say whether you like getting gift cards or if you don't like getting gift cards. So you can say, Pat, I don't like getting gift cards, or send them on to me. Personally, I like gift cards. I'm at the age where I don't want a surprise because usually the surprises are a surprise, not always in a good way. So comment, leave me a thumbs up, but let's see, when am I going to do this? I think I'm going to do this on Saturday, December the 14th, my son's birthday. So that gives you a few days. Today is what is today? Today is the 10th. 4 days, okay? And then I will do a random drawing from all of the comments, and I'll do a really quick video saying who's the winner. Now, if you haven't subscribed, all is not lost. Subscribe, leave me a comment. Comment about gift cards. Do you like them? Do you not like them? And you will be put into the random drawing. I've got this wheel that'll go around and choose one. And then I will send this project to you. And you're going, well, we don't know what it is. Let's talk about it. Okay. It is a gift card keeper. That's what I'm going to call it. A gift card keeper. And you can track your balances. If you're like me, I'll have a bunch of gift cards. I have no idea what the balance is on. And then I have to go look and find the number, look online. So that's what this is going to be for. So we have the sheet, and this is the inner part. This is going to go here with our gift card balances. And then we're going to have 3 pockets for 3 gift cards. Now, if you get more than 3, guess what? You're lucky. And you can print out more of these. So the second page, or the second part of the freebie kit, digital kit, let me make sure I say that, is a stripe for the back, which will be the front. So I am going to pause the video. I'm going to get everything prepared, and then I'll come back and we'll whip this together. I'll be right back. Don't go away. Okay, I'm all prepped. First of all, let me tell you, I did print on cardstock, and I printed it 2-sided. Okay, now this is what I chose for the inside, but of course you can switch it around if you want to. I've got corners rounded on the balances, and I did round this bottom one's corner that's going to go right there. Okay, these I did not round, and I'm doing kind of an every other one. Now, I have to tell you, I did not make this yet, so I may be going back to the drawing board for a little if these are not wide enough. There's still a little wiggle room we can make there, but let's see. I've got 3 gift cards to try. I've got the numbers punched out, and I used a 7/8, but I could have used a 1-inch and it would have left a little white ring around it, which would have been okay. Or cut them out by hand. All right, what else did I do? I did some distressing because it just seems like it needs it. I do have, don't know how much that is. It looks like about 1/4 of an inch spine to deal with the thickness of the cards. Okay. All right, let's do this. And do I have, here we are. I did not check my glue. I really want this one that's really fine. I want that to work for me, and it's not going to be unplugged. Okay, we're gonna have to do this. Hope it works. Yes, I should have been more prepared. I have to tell you, I wanted to do this yesterday, but my husband's got so many Christmas lights, it shorted out my shed. Yes, I had no electricity. And so I had to go do some shopping today, and he worked on it while I was gone. And I just put glue on this one, and I don't want to do glue on this one yet, but it'll probably be okay because it's very moist out here since it's raining. All right, this is the first one I want to put on. All right, so just the littlest bit of glue. And something else we did recently, we did not put glue on the bottom, but we do on this. We want a bottom. So this one is going to go, we need a little head space, so let's look at this. That's where, okay, so I'm gonna go right there. And I don't want to slide it around too much, then I'll decrease the size of my pocket. Yeah, I don't want it, see, I want it to dry, but I think it's going to be fine. Let's let it dry. Let's do this green one next. So how is everybody? It's coming very quickly. And, you know, I'm trying to not stress. Stressing doesn't help. All right, so now I should have measured. I'm just eyeballing, kids. Put that off there. Ah! Okay. Now the one with the glue on first. Down there. That's not too bad. I guessed pretty good. All right. All right, now I'm putting numbers on, and I think I'm going to have the numbers coordinate with the way it shows over here. So, come on. This one will be 3, this one will be 1. Where's 2? Honestly, how do you lose a number? You under there? Oh, for Pete's sakes. I can't even believe that. Where is the number 2? On the floor? No. No. You know, why am I surprised? Should not be surprised. It'll show up. So I'm going to glue on 1 right there. And hopefully that number 1 can be seen when we've got the cards in. And there's number 3. I still am just boggled that maybe it got put into, I don't know. I don't know. But we're going to glue this down. And I was thinking, you know, how this is going to be a giveaway. I am going to put a gift card in it. Not a huge amount, but a gift card for the winner. And it will come in the mail to you. All right, now, there it is. I want a piece of ephemera. So I pulled free ephemera from July. Christmas in July. This was from week, I think week 4 or ephemera number 4. Now, I have some constraints because it's not big. I think, what did I think? Yeah, they're all really big. Let's look. I've got just some miscellaneous ones, and I will figure out where they came from and let you know. But I think you've got, you know what? I kind of like that. I will check and see from whence they came, and I'll put a link below. Okay? All right. I think that's good. Let's put let's put some twine on it. Yeah, let's do that. As I keep looking for number 2. That's so strange. Do things like that happen to anyone else? Is it just me? I don't think I can say that the Bluebird Bungalow is haunted, but it could be, I guess. Let's get this like that, glue it on. I'm kind of piddling here so that we can have that, so that it'll be dry and we can try the gift cards and make sure I don't have to make some, wow, not a good red for that. Well, we're going to not worry about it. Really needed to be green, didn't it? Okay. So, like that. I'm still looking for the 2. Where did you go, number 2? Nope. Well, isn't that just crazy? All right. There it is. I knew you'd show up. You were just hiding. All right. Let's get this 2 on. Right, not upside down, like that. All right, so let's put one there. I'm still not positive that that's as dry as it should be. I think that could have gone down just a little bit more so that that isn't poking out on the top, but we're not going to worry about that. Oh, you can't. Oh, yes, you can. You can sort of see the number. Yeah, let's get you in there. Okay. What do you think? I think this will be very handy. And it's small enough to slide into your handbag or your purse. But I'm thinking this should come down just a little so that's not poking out on the top, because we've got plenty of room. I may downsize these numbers so that they're not hiding behind the gift card. Okay? All right. So, where can you get this kit? Well, I'm going to link below. You can get it at my Ko-fi shop. Coffee, whatever. It's a freebie, but if you want to leave me a little something, that's okay. But I want you to go grab it. It's a freebie, or you can pay a little something and I hope you'll do it. Thank you so much for watching, and come back and see who wins. Be sure you comment, because you can't win if you don't comment. I want to know if you like gift cards, if you don't like gift cards. And then I'm going to put it into a random wheel, and then I'll be sending this with a gift card in it to you. All right. Hey, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you all so much. I hope you're having a great season. If you're not, do something for someone and it will brighten your day. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.